when we were sharing with them what this could look like, and the trepidation on people's faces as they thought about signing up to an academic programme. Many of them had never studied, hadn't studied since leaving school really, and some of them had even come away from school without qualifications and then had gone back to do bits and bobs. So I know that people were quite anxious, but it's a real credit to the university in terms of how they have supported, encouraged and helped people with that learning journey. I know it's really early days yet, but what we saw were people coming into a room thinking, can I do this? And you and your staff have really ignited that desire to learn and that self-belief as well that I see every day when I come into work. I see people enthused about the learning. I get feedback from managers telling me that people are starting to think wider, not just their role, but the context they're working in and the impact that has on tenants.